Missed your show last night and forgot to record it? No problem. Today I'm going to show you how to access the 36-hour lookback feature on select channels using QTV. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to select the guide button on your remote control. Then you're going to want to scroll to the left and select Replay. Here you're able to scroll up and down to see which channels are eligible for the 36-hour lookback, as well as scrolling to the left to select a program you'd like to view. Once you've selected that program, it will begin to play about 30 seconds before the beginning of the show. And there you have it, how to access the 36-hour lookback feature on QTV. If you have any questions about this or any other features of QTV, give our support team a call. We're here and happy to help.